Hi friends, good evening. This is Madhu from Money Breeder. Today I am going to explain about the trade. What was my trade plan and how I executed my trade and how I predicted the about the IT sector one day before itself, and on Friday itself I took the position on the naked position the Tech Mahindra. Before going into the entire discussion, this is the standard disclaimer. I am not a SEBI registered analyst or advisor. Just whatever the study I am having, I am sharing with my friends. That is the intention behind making this video. Okay. Coming to the trade, right? Coming to the trade, okay. Tech Mahindra. If you see the daily time frame of the Tech Mahindra, right? Okay, this is the zone where whenever it is entering into the zone, bouncing back. Okay, entering into the zone, bouncing back. Okay, trying to reach to the close to the zone, bouncing back. It reached to the zone, bounce back. So based on multiple times, right? The patterns will be repeated and human behavior will be repeated. So that is what the intention I had, and the moment it crashed, right? The Tech Mahindra yesterday fall was like 2.5 percentage, which is 25 points. So I expected same 25 points recovery today. That is where I booked the early. Okay, the 25 points, that is 2.5 percentage to 3 percentage is the reasonable thing. Okay, that is what I made the I exited around I took the entry. It fallen till 1000. So as per my expectation, 1025 is the target I felt and I exited. Okay, this is the reason behind the taking the position. Okay, I don't have anything about the IT sector expectations, all those things, since it is brutal fall. Okay, continuously 3 days fall, and it is whenever it is reaching to the demand zone, it is bouncing back. That is the only the see here support and resistance is the important for day trading. That's it, nothing else. Okay, this is about the Tech Mahindra trade. Second trade is Bank Nifty. I do mention in the Telegram channel saying that okay, the range, right here, if you see 42,600 to 42,685 in between. Okay, around this range, if the Bank Nifty reaches, it is going to fall. What is the reason behind that? Okay, the reason behind that is yesterday. Okay, yesterday in the sense on the Friday, if we see, right, this is the very big fall. Okay, when this kind of big fall is there, here you are here it made some zone, right? It is the zone. Okay, this is where the supply zone was there. Okay, this is the supply zone was there. What my expectation is, okay, before going into the trade, what I felt was first, okay, the study was I made a trend line like this. So as per my understanding, it reversed, right? Okay, what happened? It fallen so much. Okay, it made the W pattern and it came and it stopped here. Okay, now it's a time for the trend line. Once the trend line breaks out, it is going to stay. It is going to reach to this supply zone. Once this supply zone comes, it has to retrace whatever fall. Okay, it has to retrace. That was the my understanding, and I felt like this is where the previously it was more consolidation. It may take the support. That is the reason. Okay, in my Telegram channel also I mentioned. Okay, till it falls like this. Okay, this is the intention. If we see, right, this is where it is going to stop. Okay, this is where it is going to stop. Breaks out. Okay, reaches to this zone and come back and stay in this range. Okay, that is the intention behind this analysis. So as per my expectation, I thought it will come by 2 o'clock, but it came early. As per my plan, I supposed to take on the bank nifty trade, but why I took on the nifty? The reason for taking the nifty is, okay, what is the time I took the trade, I initiated the trade in nifty is 11:21. The first trade I initiated 11:21. Let's see what happened in the 11:21. Okay, 11:35. This is the candle which is finished. Okay, 11:15. Here I initiated 11:25. The reason for initiating this is, okay, 11:20. The price was here. The price was 18,111. Okay, if we see here 11:25 candle, 18,015 is there. So let's go to the daily time frame. If we see, right, this is the candle where the day high, here you can see the day high. Okay, the day high is 18,000, okay, 120, 18,120. So I felt like the moment it reaches to the 18,120, it may comes back. But what happened was, I initiated the trade, it went up, then I felt like, okay, it may go little more up, and then I thought of initiating. That is where what I did was, quickly I realized it and I booked the loss of 4 points, loss of 4 points for 500, that is, which is 2000, around 2000 rupees loss. I had a 2000 rupees loss, and I wanted to initiate the trade at the same premium, 95 rupees. I supposed to take the 95 rupees. At the 95 rupees I kept the position, but it is not hit 95. It came to the 94.5 something, again it came back. Then I modified my order, then it went to the 95. Okay, so what happened was, here 11:36, right, 11:36 I took the trade. 11:35, this is where the reversal, this is what is this? This is the doji candle. I felt it is going to reversal from here. Why so confident here? I initiated the trade. The reason is, okay, bank nifty, if you take the bank nifty, okay, I am not confident on the bank nifty. The reason was, let's go to the ICICI Bank. Okay, this ICICI Bank was, last 2 days it was fully downtrend. Okay, last 3 days it fallen like 6% it fallen. What happened was, at the 11:30, okay, day, it was formed the W pattern. It was formed the W pattern. It break out with the full green candle. Okay, what is the percentage? Okay, full green candle, it breaks out. So if I initiate the trade in the bank nifty, okay, my stop loss is going to hit. That is the intention I had. Okay, so at the same time, if we see Reliance, okay, the Reliance is started falling exactly. Okay, this is where 11:35 Reliance and Nifty having the same candle, and Reliance, right, if we see the Reliance, it reached to the resistance level. This is the resistance. Okay, this is the resistance, previous candle high. Okay, what is the previous candle high? 2604. 2604 is the high. Okay, I felt like it is going to fall from there. Some decline it comes. So at the same time, Nifty previous high is 18,120, and Reliance also reached to the 2604. Okay, so that is where I felt like, okay, Nifty also falling. At the same time, if you go to the IT sector, right, IT stocks, okay, TCS, what happened in the 11:35? Okay, all these things are 11:30. It is started falling. Okay, 11:30, 12:30. See, the 11:35 started fall. HCL Tech, already it is the fall is already in place. Okay, this one also started falling by 11:30. Okay, so if I go for the Nifty, right, instead going in the bank Nifty, where the probability is less. In the Nifty, if I go, okay, already IT stocks are falling. Stocks started declining by 11:30. At the same time, Reliance also started falling. So the fall will be very quick, and I can book the quick profit in the Nifty. That is the intention behind making the trade in the Nifty than Bank Nifty. So it's not like theory. After market hours, we can say a number of things by cooked up stories, all those things. Okay, but what I am trying to say is, whenever you take the trade, right? Okay, you must think about the top top 8 stocks. Okay, the top 8 stocks move will be influenced the Nifty. Okay, Nifty is influenced by this top 8 stocks. So that is where always you have to keep watch. Okay, and also in my watch list also, ICICI Bank, I thought of trading today. Okay, ICICI Bank was there. Since it was fallen too much, I am looking for some retracement in this company, and also India Cements and HDFC Bank. Already I mentioned, right? I wanted to sell the PE in the HDFC Bank. Okay, the start is very good in this, but later point of time it started declining. Okay, so all these things, dynamically we have to, while taking the trade, we have to keep all this in the in your mind and trade. Okay, you should not go blindly on Nifty or Bank Nifty, or even sometimes I go for the Reliance itself. Yesterday I went on the Reliance. Okay, yesterday in the sense on Friday I made in Reliance some 3,000 rupees small profit I made. Okay, this is the reason behind the going to the Nifty. Okay, first reason is the Nifty previous high was 18,120. The current price already reached to the 18,120, close to 18,120. At the same time, Reliance also reached to the previous high. Okay, there is a probability of declining. Okay, at the same time, if you see, right, all the stocks together started falling. So I felt the double dhamaka. Okay, the fall will be doubled. So here it is the previously lot of time it is accumulated here. So my target is till this point only. That is where I exited, and after that still it fallen more. But I could not able to capture these things. Okay, always we feel some regret, but I will not have the regret. Whatever the amount I want, I am satisfied with it. Okay, that is where finally I ended up with the today I didn't made much profit. Okay, this is the overnight position. After that, this was the, I thought of making round figure. Once again, I initiated the, by selling the CE at the highest. Okay, then 10,000 I made, and here I made some 6,400. That is the, my trade about today. And also for the tomorrow, okay, I am thinking Apollo Tyres, I may go for the Apollo Tyres. This is multi-year breakout stock. I am tracking, the reason for this stock is I may trade, I may trade or may not trade. I am expecting some trend tomorrow in this stock. The reason is, okay, multiple times it is trading in the range and reach to the upper range. Okay, if this breaks out, I'll go for the long by selling the PE. I am little comfortable selling the option than buying the options. Okay, that is where I habituated. This is one stock I am thinking to trade tomorrow. Most probably I may get opportunity in this stock. Okay, that's all from today's video. Thank you so much, friends.